So, I found these papers. The amplification of electromagnetism through flowing fluids. It's basically describing the Zel'dovich effect, where when we shoot electromagnetic waves, or waves in general, sound waves, whatever waves, at a system, they reflect back amplified. This is the math. And now we can look at Wardenclyffe Tower through the lens of this math and see that it is on top of an aquifer, a flowing river that has current already. So it is a flowing, rotating mass, and we are plugging this tower into the earth and using the earth's rotation to reflect back waves and amplify them. So, I mean, Tesla may have actually discovered how to plug into the earth through this method, and this is the math that says it's possible. Is that what he was doing? I don't know. I know that in his older years he was studying these ancient structures that were built on top of aquifers, which was most of the megalithic structures, the Pyramid of Giza, these Mexican pyramids. Any pyramid you find usually is on top of something like that, and each one of these pyramids has electromagnetic properties. And the Pyramid of Giza, there's a Harvard study on how it still has a high frequency electromagnetic field being pulsed into the earth. And this is the math that says that that electromagnetic wave would be amplified, reflected back and could be received as electrical current. And when we look at Faraday, basically we create an Earth-sized homopolar generator that if we shoot electromagnetic waves at it, it will shoot those electromagnetic waves back, and we can receive those with a coil and turn it into electricity. These are the papers that show that it's possible to plug into Earth as a generator. And no matter what I shoot at the Earth, I'm going to get an amplified version of that. So I can, not only can I shoot something at the Earth and get an amplified wave, that means the amplified wave could power the source that's shooting the wave. And all the amplified power is just free energy because of the rotation of Earth. It's not really a perpetual motion machine. It is an Earth tap. That's not perpetual motion. I mean, it's an Earth tap. So, I mean, that's exactly how it should function. That's what the math says. It may be whichever was before this video here. And I mean, we take this, and we can take this further and deeper and look into these ancient societies and how, you know, because this math and where these temples are show that it's physically possible to amplify these electromagnetic waves that exist within these temples that are being thrown at the ground for some reason, and we don't understand why. This math shows that it amplifies the electromagnetic wave and shoots it back at a larger scale. And these temples are designed like circuits. So, I mean, it does bring one to question the reality of what was actually going on then. Just going to throw that out there. But the most important part is I mean, look at Wardenclyffe Tower. Tesla plugged that motherfucker right into an aquifer, and he used electromagnetic waves, shot them in the ground, and that iron rod would have been an electromagnet that would have pulsed inside the river, and that electromagnetic wave would have shot back up and easily been triggered by the iron rod that was plugged into it, because it triggered and amplified the wave, so on and so forth. I mean, it makes a bunch of sense. And if you look at the similarities in what Wardenclyffe Tower was and the Pyramid of Giza, they look really similar. I'm just gonna say that. Like, you can look at the paperwork, and you look at the underground system, and then you look at the pyramid itself, And then where's the capstone? Yada yada, so on and so forth. Many questions, never answers.